In this video, we listed the 5 best drones on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Starting at number 1. Eachine E58 WiFi FPV. The Eachine E58 WiFi FPV has all the basic functionalities of a modern drone. The design is not too shabby, and it certainly is one of the most elegant-looking drones out there. It truly belongs to the best cheap drones in 2020. It is lightweight and foldable to save space when you carry them outdoor. Plus, the arms are replaceable in case you damage it during flight tests. This Eachine E58 WiFi FPV is best for beginners because of its one-key takeoff-landing feature. It also has dedicated app support that helps users to control the drone using a smartphone. The interface is simple, and it should be quick to get familiar with. The drone has a built-in gravity sensor and a 6-axis gyroscope for proper stabilization. It even supports one-key return mode for quick retrieval scenarios or in case you lost sight of it. At number 2. SG106 WiFi FPV RC Drone. The SG106 WiFi FPV RC Drone is the drone to beat when it comes to pricing and features. It sure is not the most popular brand, but it can still grab some positive attention in the market. It has all the bells and whistles like a gravity sensor, gyroscope, and an altitude hold mode in case you want a steady aerial shot. The SG106 WiFi FPV RC Drone is included in this list for a lot of good reasons. Aside from the typical features a user can find on a cheap drone, it has some tricks that should be useful as well. It supports palm gestures, which means you can take photos and videos with some programmed movement of your palm. The built-in camera can produce up to 1080p of video resolution, which makes this a good candidate for new vloggers. It also supports tracking autofocus mode that smartly follows a moving subject. It even has a second camera placed at the bottom of the drone for a straight top view. At number 3. Eachine E61. The Eachine E61, E61HW is probably the cheapest in this list, and that is for a reason. As for its main use, it is great for people that want to start training on flight control with a small budget. For the design, the Eachine E61, E61HW is very compact. As a matter of fact, it fits on a palm. It has a low-capacity battery that can last a user up to around 8 to 10 minutes. The Eachine E61 is the one that has no built-in camera. On the other hand, the Eachine E61HW comes with a 0.3 MP camera and has the altitude hold mode function. At number 4. Vizio XS 816 RC Drone. The Vizio name has garnered some popularity over the past years with their quality electronic products. This time, the Vizio XS 816 RC Drone with 50x zoom gets the spotlight as one of the best cheap drones in 2019. The Vizio XS 816 RC Drone comes with 2 cameras. One at the bottom and one at the front end. On paper, these cameras should deliver 4K quality video resolution, but that sounds like a bit of a stretch. With the camera megapixel involved, the 4K resolution should be highly interpolated at best. As for the rest of the features, it is pretty much loaded with some useful ones. It supports both RC and Wi-Fi connectivity through an app. The battery life can last up to around 15 minutes, which should be good enough in most cases. The range could stretch around 80 to 100 meters via RC and around 50 meters via Wi-Fi hotspot. The palm gesture support could work around 1 to 2 meters only. This is best for when taking selfies or taking videos in a relative distance using this drone. At number 5. TGM69 FPV Drone. The TGM69 FPV Drone 4K with 1080p is a great choice for those who just want to try out some drone actions. It will not break the bank, and it certainly has the features that make flying drone fun. The design is very stylish, with a compact size that fits in a bag. And speaking of portability, the TGM69 FPV Drone 4K with 1080p supports the mobile app with some additional features to get creative. Be able to control the drone using the trajectory fly feature, and control the camera with its 90 degrees up and down movement. The one key return feature is handy for when you want to reset the drone position from the start of flight. It can also do the one-key takeoff landing maneuver for easy control, especially if you are just learning to fly the drone. Another great feature about the TGM69 FPV Drone 4K with 1080p is its camera capability of up to 1080p quality. That is enough resolution to use for YouTube vlogging and for personal memories. So if you want to buy these products, check the link in the description box.